Alexa, ask Roomba to start.
Okay, we'll have started cleaning.
Alexa, ask Roomba to stop.
Would you like your Roomba to return home?
Yes.
I will send your Roomba home.
Ma cara.
Ma tu che cosa fai?
¿Eh?
Dico che vas ahí.
Me parece que te quiero ir a la casa.
Pero eso tendría que haber.
No, ahora por levantarla y meter la cocina ya se le quemaron los papeles en la cabeza.
Today I am reviewing the Roomba combo. I'm going to give it 3 out of 5 stars because there were some things I didn't like about it. To start off with the good, it does vacuum and sweep really well. If you're mainly looking for something to pick up dust or crumbs or pet hair, this does the job. And I really liked the spot clean feature on it. Now, the not so great part is the mopping feature, and it is honestly kind of useless. It barely mops, it just leaves 2 little streaks behind and doesn't actually clean the floor. That's because it only has 2 little tiny spray nozzles on the bottom and doesn't soak the whole mop pad at once. The other thing I didn't like was that it missed a lot of areas. It moves in rows, but it's like it forgets where it's already cleaned, so you'll still find dust in places that it just passed and didn't clean. Overall, it's a great vacuum, but it's not a great mop, so I hope that helps.
As you can tell, it's been cleaning this one spot for the past 5, almost 10 minutes. And it can't seem to figure out that it can't go up there. I've had to help it multiple times. Guys, I don't think it's worth the money, honestly. Oh my God, are we actually gonna leave this one spot? Let's see. Dang.
I'm thinking this is some type of belt for my iRobot because this is the second time I've used it. I've used it 3 times, so this is the second time that I've seen something similar to this after it leaves the carpet. So I'll have to double check as to where that's coming from.
Kaya nagbibigay ako ito. Unsing, naman naman sa iyo. Unsing.